Have you been thinking and searching for a good stock to invest? Well, this is exactly the video for you, and I believe you're going to enjoy this video because Ocean Power Technology is going to at least double its stock price by the end of the year, and the stock price could potentially grow by even 10 times in the next 5 years. What is up everyone, my name is Aviran, welcome back to the Smart Investor channel. We look for the best stocks in the stock market in our way to becoming rich. The reason I started this channel is because until the last year I had big debt and I was worried about my future. I don't want to be like most of the people, going to the university, doing something they don't really like. I decided to create my own life. I'm into self-development, eating healthy, and going to the gym. And I'm so happy that I went in the stock market because I really love it. And this is something I will do for the rest of my life. I must say that I'm not a financial advisor nor expert, so before investing, do your own research. Lastly, if you don't mind smart investors, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment I subscribe to join the family and grow with us and get new videos every single day. Alright family, let's make a checkup about the company. So the company is Ocean Power Technologies, ticker symbol OPTT. It's in the Nasdaq and it was founded in 1984 and it is based in New Jersey. The company develops and commercializes proprietary systems that generate electricity by harnessing the renewable energy of the ocean waves. Ocean Power offers a product which is called PB3, and this is a generation power system for the use of independent of the power grid in remote offshore locations. The company also provides hybrid PV products, subsea battery systems, and payloads integration services and marine installation services. In addition, it offers electric power and real-time data communications for remote offshore and subsea applications in markets such as offshore oil and gas, defense and security, science and research, and communications. The company serves public and private entities and agencies that require remote offshore power. So, it looks like this is a clean energy company, and we already like that because we know President Biden supports the clean energy, and this is good for us. This is something else I found in their site. This is what they say: we will deliver durable, reliable, cost-effective ocean energy solutions that enable new capabilities for our customers and partners, value to our shareholders, inspire our employees, and enhance the environment. So, they have a good product with good costs, they show that they care about us, the shareholders, and they are looking to expand by making cooperations with another companies. Guys, these are great news. Now I checked their YouTube channel and I decided to share a great video about what they do and their main product, the PB3. Let's watch this video together.
Remote offshore power for equipment, sensors, and real-time communications is challenging and in some cases nearly impossible. Data and connectivity empower critical decision-making that can result in significant opportunities for productivity gains and increased profitability. Ocean Power Technologies Power Buoy is the new paradigm for meeting these challenges. The PB3 Power Buoy is an integrated power and communications platform that provides both connectivity and persistent power. The PB3 is a turnkey system solution for power and communications to onboard or off-buoy sensors and payloads, whether located in the water column or on the seabed. The PB3 has a highly reliable and efficient power generation, conditioning, and storage system that extracts energy from ocean waves and converts it into electricity. The combined power generation and conditioning system is called the Power Takeoff, or PTO. The PTO has been functionally tested through millions of cycles to validate performance and ensure reliability. The onboard energy storage system stores excess energy and provides power for up to 2 weeks if no ocean waves are present. The Power Takeoff and energy storage system are integrated within the Power Buoy, which consists of an upright spar and float section. The motion of the float in response to the waves relative to the generally stationary spar creates the differential mechanical motion that drives the PTO. The Power Buoy has a minimum 10-year design life and is designed to survive 100-year storm conditions. OPT's power buoy uses standard transportation and typical marine operations deployment methods. The power buoy is flexible to accommodate internal and externally mounted multi-mission payloads and has been used for ocean observing and defense and security purposes. OPT's power buoy has powered radar systems and weather stations and has been used as an acoustic tracking platform for vessels, tagged fish, and marine mammals. Standard moorings up to 300 meters and custom mooring solutions for deeper sites can be provided. Visit us at www.ocean.
I really like it. They did a great presentation. It's really cool. Now I would like to share with you, family, the information we have about their CEO. He is the president, CEO, and board director of Ocean Power Technologies, and his name is George H. Kirby. Guys, listen to this one. He's got experience of 20 years in international technical, commercial, and operational experience in the global power and infrastructure sectors. Before joining the company, he was the Senior Vice President for the Energy Business Unit at AECOM Technology Corporation, which delivers professional services to program and construction management globally, and AECOM's market cap right now is $10 billion. He was also the Vice President of Utility Services at SAIC, a company that works with electric utilities in the North American market. He also had major roles in companies like American Superconductor, GE Energy Financial Services, and GE Power and Water. Now I want to pull up another source to add information to the things we saw before. Since joining OPT, he was leading the company's growth, including the successful launch of their product. Under his leadership, OPT also successfully launched the Hybrid PB for shorter-term missions and suitable for a wider variety of marine solutions, an autonomous surface surveillance solution for maritime domain awareness applications, and environmentally friendly subsea battery solution that maximizes power capacity for subsea payloads. So as we can see, Mr. Kirby knows what he's doing, and he's the perfect CEO for the company. He's got the experience, he's a serious businessman, and he already affected huge development for the company. So, as we can see here, in the end of 2020, they welcomed 3 new directors. This is huge, because the more people from outside will assist the company, the bigger the company will be in the future. Each one of them is something, because they have their own skills and experience, and they're looking to help the company grow fast and effectively. The first one has 40 years of experience in offshore engineering design, manufacturing, and operations. The second has 20 years of experience as a CFO, and the third one has more than 39 years of offshore experience in the oil and gas industry, including several senior executive roles. Guys, these are great news for us, the investors. So in the beginning of February, they acquired Freedent Technology, an offshore energy, engineering and design services company based in Texas. Guys, this is their first acquisition, and believe me, this will not be their last. This is just the beginning. So the acquisition brings them additional revenue, and they expand OPT's ability to provide comprehensive solutions to customers. As OPT says, this is an important first step within their long-term growth strategy to expand their market value proposition while building OPT's revenue. Freedent helps OPT because they provide complete project lifecycle engineering services from concept through installation to the commissioning, including early stage feasibility and design. They have made a presentation about the company, and one page that I want to share with you is this. Let me read what they say. So why invest in OPT? OPT is the go solution provider for remote offshore power, surveillance, and communications. First mover advantage with a strong intellectual property portfolio, commercialized deal prior investments, strengthening opportunity pipeline, focusing on multi-unit orders, new products that capture more of their addressable market, recent partnerships creating deeper market connections, experience in the skip line management, and focused on environment and sustainability. So another thing in their presentation is the potential of the company. So what industries do they work with? The first one is communications. Wi-Fi and cellular, $500 million market. Science and research, data collection and communication, $2 billion market. Oil and gas, 10,000 offshore oil and gas sites, $2.5 billion market. And defense and security. Oh guys, I forgot to say, they had a contract with the US Navy. Early detection, maritime security, and illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing prevention, $3.5 billion market. So, in this one we have OPT's target market. As we can see, in data and connectivity, it is $88 million. Subsea power, $100 million. And lastly, monitoring and surveillance, $164 million. So we got their fiscal reports for 2021. As we can see, not only they're not making money, they are also losing money. Why should we still watch and invest in the stock even if they lost and keeps losing money? Let's first read a bit and eventually I will explain. In the third quarter of fiscal year 2021, they had a revenue of $0.3 million compared to the prior year, which was $0.7 million. And the net loss for the third quarter of 2021 increases by 0.3. The revenue for the first 9 months of fiscal year 2021 was $0.6 million compared to $1.1 million for the same period in the prior year, and the net loss was increased by $0.5 million. Do not forget that the COVID-19 pandemic included and damaged this company. So why should we still watch and invest in them? Because you should understand, if Biden pushes the renewable energy as he says, and even if not, eventually this stock is going to explode. So I really believe in Ocean Power Technologies. They jumped in their stock price from 0.41 into 2.76, and they even peaked at almost $6. Guys, the dips are here for you. The stock market always go up for the long term. This is a company to invest for at least 5 years. The market cap for Ocean Power Technologies is $140 million, and my price target for the company will be between $5 to $8 by the end of the year. Alright, Smart Investors family, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if you can, do not forget to like this video and join the family by subscribing to our channel. After you subscribe, go to comments and write "I subscribe." I would like you to comment your true opinion about this video, and by that I will be able to understand how I can help you better. Third thing, if you have a hot stock that you want me to help you do the research, please write it in the comments and I will add it to my list for testing. Goodbye, smart investors!